Switching topics, these days you can learn to DIY almost anything, but in today's Tech Check, we're checking into a new DIY discovery. Frankly, we didn't see coming. Desert News columnist Amy Iverson says Apple just launched do-it-yourself options for phone repair. She joins me to share whether or not replacing your own battery, your own other fixes is worth saving a few bucks on, or if you should just leave it to the pros. Hi, Amy, how are you?
Hey, good to see you.
Good to see you. So let's outline what exactly is Apple offering.
Okay, so you can now order genuine Apple parts and tools, up to 200 of them. So these are for the iPhone 12, the iPhone 13, and then the third generation SE phone.
Okay, so how does it work exactly?
Okay, so you can replace things like you said, like the battery or the screen. There's several things you have to, they tell you go to the repair manual, it's online, and see what you have to do. I will tell you in every step of the way, I feel like they're kind of dissuading you from doing this.
I might stop just right there. Like, don't send me to the manual, please.
I know. When you look at this manual online, it's pretty intimidating. So you do that. If you decide, hey, I can do this, then you go online and you order your part. And then you're likely going to have to order some tools because you don't have the tools that you need. So you can either buy or they give you the option to rent the tools.
Of course we don't have the tools we need. Of course we need the Apple tools.
Yes, and they're huge. They are these two cases. You get the same kit no matter what you're doing to fix your phone, and they weigh 80 pounds, and you get them for a week. So yeah, pretty major.
This kind of already sounds like another money grab to me. I'm not going to lie.
Well, I mean, when you first glance at it, it looks like you could save some money. Because let's take an example. If you're going to replace a battery on an iPhone 12, you buy the battery bundle kit. It's $70.99. But then Apple will credit you for sending back your old battery. So they give you money for that, and it takes the price down to $46. And you think, oh, that's a pretty big savings. But when you factor in renting that toolkit I told you about, that's $50, $49.
Oh, sorry, it's a rental? So, you rent the toolkit?
Yes, you can buy them, but most people, they're so expensive unless this is going to be a business or something.
Okay.
So you can rent them for 7 days for $49. When you add in that toolkit rental, then you're back up to $95.84. Just as an example, if you take it into Apple to have them fix it, it's $69. So the only way I could see this would be cost saving is if you were going to replace more than one battery. Maybe you need to at the same time.
Yeah, because listen, I'm thinking gas to the post office, back and forth. I'm thinking of all those little things that pretty much pop me to 65, I think, in the end.
Yes, I don't see, and again, I don't see that this is going to work for most people.
Yeah.
Now, Android phones are also going this direction. They're giving people the option. Samsung DIY kits will be available later in the year for the Galaxy S20 through 21, and also the Galaxy Tab S7. And then who else? Google. Google's doing it also for the Pixel 2 through the Pixel 6. But again, when you look at their press releases, both of them adamantly are saying, but we have all these options for other people to fix your phones. Don't forget. So I think there is some legal issue here too. It's called the right to repair, where they want people to be able to have the option to repair their own phone.
Oh, there
but
it is.
It is not for most people.
Yeah, and really quickly, we have 30 seconds, but the time-old question of insurance, right? Is phone insurance worth it? You start to weigh it out now with this new DIY option. What's your take?
Yes, well, I tell people to always think about, okay, how much do I love this phone? How clumsy am I? How absent-minded am I? I'm going to lose it. Am I going to drop it? My kids all have insurance. We have Apple Care, which then the battery replacement is free. Screen replacements are $30. But I personally don't have it because I'm pretty good with my phone.
You're responsible. I would throw the question to your criteria, how many kids 6 and under are using your phone? That would also pop me, I think, to the insurance decision. I'm just saying.
Well, and my 3 kids all pay for their own insurance, but they're smart enough to know they need it.
Yeah, right. All right, Amy, thanks for breaking it down. As always, we can dial in to more details on your column.
Yeah, Deseret.com/Amy. You got to look at that repair manual. You'll get a giggle.
Well, that's hilarious, just the small shot we saw on screen. I will. I'll look it up. Thank you so much.